Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Device Manager. This is where Windows exposes hardware entries. Once done, find the relevant category, for example, network adapters or universal serial bus controllers, and expand it. You then right-click the device you want, choose Properties, and switch to the Details tab. This sequence puts the hardware identifiers into view. Make sure to pick the right device. Misidentifying it leads to wrong ID and wasted time. Now, in the Details tab, open the Property drop-down and select Hardware IDs. That choice surfaces strings Windows uses to match drivers. You'll see entries such as VENXXXX and DVEI for PCI devices or long GUID for some peripherals. Copy the first value. It's usually the most specific and useful for driver lookup. If you need, paste into a plain text file to preserve formatting. Once copied, you can search vendor databases. Finish by verifying the ID against vendor or driver databases. This confirms the exact part and compatible drivers. If you get no results, switch the Details drop-down to Compatible IDs or run scan for hardware changes in Device Manager to force redetection. If the device shows no ID at all, make sure cables are seated, try a different port, and reinstall or update the driver. These steps restore detection and reveal the hardware identifiers for proper driver matching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.